Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I want to start today by telling you something really important. My dear friends, each and every one of you watching right now is special. I truly mean that. You have unique talents, incredible dreams, and a power inside you to achieve amazing things. I know that sometimes life can feel overwhelming. You might face a challenge and feel scared, or that little voice of doubt might whisper, "I can't do this," but I want you to listen to me when I say this. You absolutely can. Whenever you hear that doubt, I want you to challenge it. Ask yourself, what if I can? Because the truth is, you are far more capable than you often believe.
Let's talk about mistakes for a second.
We've all been conditioned to fear them, right? To see them as failures.
But that's not what they are. Mistakes are simply lessons in disguise.
They are proof that you are trying, that you are pushing your boundaries. Every single time you try something new and maybe don't get it right the first time, you become stronger, smarter, and more resilient. Think about it, every great person you admire has failed. The difference is, they didn't let those failures define them. They saw them as stepping stones, learned from them, and kept moving forward.
So, the next time you make a mistake, don't beat yourself up. Instead, ask yourself, what did I learn from this?
And use that knowledge to grow.
Now, as you go on this journey of chasing your dreams, there's another crucial element: kindness.
Always be kind not just to others, but also to yourself. Celebrate your small wins. Forgive your setbacks.
When you see someone else struggling, offer a helping hand.
A little bit of support can make a world of difference.
And don't forget to show gratitude and respect to those who support your family, your teachers, your friends.
Building a positive support system is one of the most powerful things you can do.
When you combine hard work with an unshakable belief in yourself, success isn't just a possibility. It becomes inevitable.
It might not happen overnight, but it will follow you. So, I want you to leave this video today with a smile on your face and a renewed sense of confidence. Go out there and chase your dreams with everything you've got. Remember, Tees, you are brave. You are smart. You are capable of anything you set your mind to. Never, ever forget that. Thank you so much for watching. If this message resonated with you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content to help you on your journey.
See you next time.